Wow, my yummy got the egg stew. If you want to know how I prepare it, no problem. Keep watching my channel. Stay tuned. Hello, my beautiful people. In this video, I'll be teaching you all how I prepare this garden egg, my sweet yummy garden egg stew. This is my yam. I'll be teaching you all I prepare this my yam and my garden egg stew. Just stay tuned and watch to the end so that you can know how I prepare my yam and my garden egg stew. It's looking very yummy and very delicious, very sweet and tasted. Guys, don't miss this. Very easy to prepare. This is the easier way you can prepare your yam and garden egg stew at home. Stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Thanks to you all. This is it. This is my yummy yam and delicious garden egg stew. If you just want to know how I prepare it, the easy way I prepare it, just watch and stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Pretty Favour YouTube channel. If today is your first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, don't hesitate to subscribe, comment, like, press the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Also share to your loved ones, to your family and friends. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how I prepare my garden egg stew and yam. This is the items I'll be using to prepare my garden egg and yam. Yes, as you can see, this is my melusa fish. I've already fried it. And my fish and meat. This is my garden egg and my fresh pepper. This is my onions. This is my salt and my star cube. This is my yam. Yes, stay tuned and be blessed while I start cooking. I just finished boiling my garden egg. I just want to peel it before blending. It's good to peel your garden egg before blending. This is the pot I used to boil my meat before. As you can see inside the pot, there's still little of meat water inside. I just want to add my groundnut oil to it to mix together. Yes, everyone, this is my yummy garden egg stew. It's ready to eat. Very delicious, tasted yummy garden egg stew is ready. It looked delicious. Trust me, guys, when you taste it, it's very sweet. It's ready to serve, it's ready to eat. Thanks to you all for watching my video. Keep supporting me, keep watching. This is my garden egg stew. This is the easy way I prepare this sweet, delicious garden egg stew. Thanks, everyone. Much love to you all. This is my yam and my garden egg stew. It's ready to eat. Look at it. Very easy to prepare. It's ready to eat. This is my yam and my garden egg stew. So tasted and delicious. It look yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy food is ready. Thanks to you all once again for watching my channel, for watching my video. Subscribe, like, comment according to the video you see. Thanks to my old subscribers also. Much love to you all. Thank you. My yam and cardiac stew is ready to eat. Let me go and enjoy myself and my family. Thank you.